64 SS Impala here. Gets the Turtle Wax Max Power Car Wash. As you guys know, you got moderate, aggressive, extreme here. Cleaning power for the most dirtiest jobs, tasks. You can use this with a foam cannon. But today we're going to be bucket washing it. It's already raining, so basically what I'm doing is actually using the rain to help rinse the car down. Alright, that way I want to stretch my water hose way over here. Okay, so let's get with it, man. Let's get it. Max Power. I got the Turtle Wax wash mitt right here that I'm using. There we go. I'm going to show you the cleaning power that it has. Y'all know it's been storming here, so it's kind of rainy still. Still raining right now. I want to wash this car. Show you guys how good it can look. Wash the trim and stuff up in the back. Let the rain kind of rinse the car. Okay. I'm using the Turtle Wax wash mitt here. Wash the chrome. Wash around the lights real good. Come off, you can kind of rain and rinse that. Man, that looks good. Very nice looking vehicle. Yes, sir. Stop playing with it. The Max Power Car Wash, get it right. Sit down here the sides. Wash that trim up. I gotta finish painting this car soon. So y'all stay on the lookout for that too. Y'all know it's like a project here. I just want to wash it down some and kind of clean my trim up some too a little bit. It's very soapy in the bucket, as you can see. The Max Power, very soapy. Look here. Yeah, it's soapy here. Kind of get it clean, get it clean. Yes, sir. All right. Washing this area here. Okay. Y'all know the rain don't stop you, boy. Stop playing with me. The rain rinsed that. So let's let the rain rinse that down. Yes, sir. Y'all see how good that look. Yes, sir. I just want to try out that Max Power Car Wash on the 64 SS Impala. Alright. Y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Get us a try. You can get this at Walmart, Family Dollar, pretty much anywhere. Alright. I'm just using this rain for the rinse. Hit that subscribe button, y'all. I'm out of here. Peace.